How to destroy your enemy without fighting. Number 1. Stay calm. Don't let your enemy see you upset. The main thing a bully wants is to get a reaction from their target. Don't give them the satisfaction. Number 2. Look them in the eye. This SNEA.KY psychological tactic can be very disarming. Next time your enemy tries to push you around, do your best to make and hold eye contact. It makes you look more confident, which might be enough to throw them off their stride. Number 3. Tell them to back off. But do it in a civil, unemotional way. You probably grew up hearing that you should ignore bullies. But looking the other way when someone is mistreating you seldom works. Instead, it just gives them the idea that it's okay to keep acting that way. Instead, confront them about their behavior and calmly tell them that you won't stand for it. Number 4. Team up with some trusted allies. Dealing with an enemy alone can be really difficult. As Sun Tzu famously pointed out, you're much more likely to defeat an opponent if you outnumber them. Number 5. Avoid engaging when they attack. Sometimes, all you have to do is sit back and wait. Is your enemy posting nasty things about you online? Are they being unprofessional? Picking fights, or constantly breaking the rules? If so, let their actions speak for themselves instead of trying to directly respond or engage. There's a good chance that they'll eventually face the natural consequences of their actions.